Let's dive right in. The early ones warm you up, but number 11 is the real surprise. This neck massager uses 6 smooth rolling wheels that glide along the muscles and release built-up tension with steady pressure. You can adjust the grip to target stiff spots on both sides of your neck, making it great for long work days, bad sleep positions, or that tight feeling after scrolling for too long. The design lets you control the pressure with your own hands, so it stays gentle when you want relief and firm when you need deeper work. Just a few passes and your neck starts to feel lighter, warmer, and more relaxed. Release the tension of the day with this wireless scalp massager, your personal moment of calm wherever you are. Its rotating silicone nodes mimic the gentle kneading of human hands, easing stress from your head, neck, and shoulders with every move. Lightweight and cordless, it fits seamlessly into your routine, whether you're on the couch, at your desk, or winding down before bed. With each gentle rotation, it melts away fatigue and invites a lasting sense of comfort that's hard to put into words. Small in size, big in relaxation, and always within reach when you need it most. Kids often struggle with lifting the toilet seat, and that usually leads to touching places they shouldn't or leaving things messy. With this simple little lifter, the whole process becomes cleaner and way more comfortable. The flexible strap wraps securely around the seat, and the soft mushroom handle gives them an easy spot to pull without ever touching the toilet itself. It's gentle for small hands, stays firmly in place, and helps build a routine that feels independent and hygienic. Parents get fewer accidents to clean up, and kids get a small confidence boost every time they use it the right way. If your kid gets bored in 2 minutes, this little game might just save your day. It's a mini bowling set, but instead of rolling a ball, you're launching a frog. Yep, a frog. You press down, it jumps forward, and if you're lucky, it crashes right into the pins. It's silly, it's loud, and somehow it keeps everyone at the table entertained for way longer than expected. No batteries, no screens, just pure low-tech fun. And don't be surprised if the adults get just as competitive as the kids. These stretchable silicone lids make storing leftovers simple and mess-free. They cling onto bowls, cups, and jars to create a tight, reliable seal without relying on plastic wrap. The flexible material stretches over different shapes, holds strong in the fridge, and rinses clean in just a moment. It's an easy way to keep food fresh while cutting down on waste and avoiding extra containers. Slipping heels and painful rubbing can ruin a good pair of shoes, but these soft heel liners make them instantly more comfortable. The cushion design fills in the extra space at the back, keeps your foot from sliding, and helps prevent blisters even on long walks or busy days. They stick firmly inside the shoe, don't shift while you move, and add just enough padding to make stiff or slightly tight shoes feel easier to wear. It's a simple little insert that brings real comfort to pairs you love but rarely use because they hurt. This 5-in-1 multifunctional slicer is made to make everyday cooking feel effortless. Instead of juggling knives and endless cutting boards, you just place your ingredients inside, press down, and in seconds, everything is neatly sliced or grated. The motion feels light and smooth, and the built-in holder keeps your hands safe the whole time. What makes it even better is how clean it keeps your space. Everything falls right into the container, so there's no scattered pieces and no messy countertop. After you're done, it takes just a moment to rinse and put away. It's one of those tools that saves you time, keeps things tidy, and makes preparing a meal feel less like a chore and more like a simple part of the day. A quick drying mat that absorbs water fast and keeps the floor from getting slippery. Its non-slip backing holds it in place, and the clean, modern look fits easily into any bathroom. It dries much faster than regular fabric mats, making daily use more practical. This small counter makes tracking repetitions easy and comfortable. The clear digital display and thumb ready button let you keep counting without breaking your rhythm. It's lightweight, simple to reset, and handy for any routine you want to follow with steady focus. For those dealing with mobility issues or long-term care, this makes daily life a little more manageable. Designed as wearable, reusable underwear, this urine collector system offers discreet support without constant supervision. The medical-grade material is gentle on the skin, while the dual side bags provide generous capacity with less frequent emptying. It's secure, comfortable, and easy to clean, giving both the wearer and caregiver a little more peace of mind throughout the day. A compact tool like this is great for building grip strength and easing hand tension. The spring offers steady resistance, while the finger loops give you control over each squeeze, making it useful for workouts, rehab, or just keeping your hands active during the day. It's small enough to carry around, smooth to operate, and gives your fingers and forearm muscles a simple, effective way to stay stronger and more flexible. This tiny arcade-style boxing game is more fun than it has any right to be. Just pull back your finger and flick the little punch pad, watch the lights flash and the score jump like you're in your own mini tournament. It's part stress relief, part silly fun, and weirdly addictive once you get into it. Great for passing the time at your desk, competing with friends, or just giving your fingers something to do besides scrolling. It's playful, nostalgic, and guaranteed to get a few laughs. This anxious-looking turtle holds your mug in place, while adding a playful touch to your desk. It keeps your surface protected and always gets a quick laugh from anyone who sees it. A lighter like this brings a bit of retro style to something you use every day. The metal body feels solid in the hand, and the flame comes to life with a smooth flick of the wheel. It hangs on a keychain easily, so it's always with you when you need it. Durable, compact, and eye-catching, it's a small accessory that stands out without trying too hard. If your room needs a little warmth and a bit of personality, this lazy duck might be exactly what's missing. Shaped like it gave up in the most adorable way, this soft touch night lamp gives off a warm, calming glow, perfect for winding down. Tap to turn it on, tap again to adjust the brightness. It's simple, playful, and oddly comforting. The squishy silicone body adds to the charm, making it ideal for bedtime, reading, or just setting a cozy mood. Whether it's for your nightstand or a fun little gift, this duck adds light and a smile wherever it goes. A lighter like this blends craftsmanship with everyday usefulness. The slim metal body folds open in a smooth, satisfying motion, and once you spark it, the flame holds steady even when the wind picks up. It feels solid without being heavy, slips easily into a pocket, and carries that old-school charm you don't see much anymore. Whether you use it outdoors or keep it as a reliable daily tool, it adds a touch of character while staying practical. This little roller turns math practice into something a lot more fun and a lot less intimidating. With one smooth motion across the page, it prints a clean row of questions that are instantly ready to solve. The wheels move easily, the numbers come out sharp every time, and kids can use it on their own without needing extra prep or stacks of worksheets. It's great for homework sessions, warm-ups before class, or quick practice breaks during the day. Teachers can use it to create fast exercises, and parents can bring a bit of variety into study time. The cute design makes it feel more like a toy than a study tool, which helps kids stay engaged longer. This knife set brings a real sense of craftsmanship to the kitchen. The thick, balanced blades give steady control for everything from clean slicing to heavier chopping, and they hold up well in daily use. The wooden handles stand out with their detailed engraved artwork, adding a traditional touch you don't usually see in practical tools. They feel solid and reliable, making them great for everyday cooking while still looking stylish enough to display. It's a duo that blends function, durability, and character in a satisfying way.